In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the speed of part of a clip using Clipchamp. Whether you're looking to create a dramatic slow-motion effect or speed up a scene for comedic impact, adjusting video speed can add a fascinating dimension to your editing projects. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily modify the speed of a portion of your video clip using Clipchamp. First things first, open up your web browser and search for Clipchamp. This browser-based video editor is super convenient, allowing you to edit videos without downloading any additional software. Once you're on the Clipchamp homepage, go ahead and log into your account. If you're new to Clipchamp, signing up is just a few clicks away and totally free. After logging in, you'll have the option to open an existing project or start a new one. For today's demonstration, feel free to choose whichever option suits your needs. If you're starting fresh, set up a new project, and once you're in the editing interface, you can begin the process of bringing your video to life. Now, it's time to add your video to the timeline. Head over to the Your Media tab and drag your chosen video file down into the timeline. This is where you'll have the opportunity to make edits, and today we're focusing on changing the speed of a specific part. The next step involves placing the seeker bar, which is the white vertical line, precisely where you want the speed adjustment to start. This is crucial since this will define the beginning of your speed change segment. With the seeker in position, click the split button, which looks like a pair of scissors, on your timeline toolbar. Alternatively, tapping the S key on your keyboard will also do the trick. This action will divide your clip into two separate parts. Now, move the seeker again, this time to the point where you want the speed change to stop. Once you've done that, click on the split button again. What you'll have now is your original video segmented into three parts. To make the speed adjustment, click on the middle clip, the section you want to alter. Look over at the right-hand side of the editor and navigate to the Speed tab on the Property panel. This is where the real magic happens. You'll see a speed slider. Move it to the right to increase the speed or slide it to the left for a slow motion effect. For those who are looking for a specific speed, there is an option to type in an exact value into the speed box, allowing for precise control over your video's pacing. Once you're happy with your changes, the final step is to export your project. Hit the Export button located at the top right corner, select the video resolution that best fits your needs, and voila! Your edited video is ready to be shared with the world. I hope you found this guide helpful. With a bit of practice, speed adjustments will become an effortless part of your Clipchamp editing process. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.